I've been to a place called Planet Earth. I made an ice sculpture there, which was in the shape of a duck, not a swan, like most people do. A duck. And also, I I flew, that was it, I flew. It was so fun, not like the little tubes of indoor skydiving. What else did I do? Oh, yes. I rode in a transportation device that was controlled by magnets. I'm gonna let the speakers explain that, or they might have already. But, yes, it's cool. You stay in little domes. Well, they're not domes, they're critter homes. They're little critters, and then they have a little dome over them. It's sort of like Patrick's home in SpongeBob SquarePants. You follow arrows to get around, and I guess that's about it. Never take your helmet off. Go to Planet Earth!